Have you ever felt like you're just getting by, watching life happen instead of actively building the life you actually want? You're stuck on autopilot, going through the motions every single day, and the person you know you could be just isn't showing up. Today, we're talking about the most important investment you can ever make, an investment in yourself. Before, when I tried to learn about life seriously, I was honestly very close-minded. I used to assume I knew everything the world had to offer and that money would just solve every problem. But even when money has a lot of power, you'll have no idea how to use it if you don't have the knowledge yourself. Having your own knowledge is the real power. And even before you start worrying about what you spend your money on, you need to worry about where you're putting your mind. I want to split this into two sections: how you invest your mind and how you invest your money. Both come back to the same thing: investing in yourself. No matter what point of life you're in, you should always be investing in yourself. People tend to watch things that entertain them like it's their full-time job. The countless hours spent keeping up with trends or watching the newest videos from a favorite creator, we tend to forget how much time we're actually burning doing that. Some things you can try to implement instead is watching educational videos. Listen to podcasts, read articles, or pick up books on new skills and personal growth. If you can watch a whole season of Love Island, I'm pretty sure you can spend at least 15 minutes a day watching a video about self-growth. But even you watching this video isn't doing much for you on its own. Yes, you're hearing me say to do these things, but I can only show you the door. You have to actually open it. There are people who record and format videos in specific ways just to keep you attached to the screen. If you're always online, there are hundreds of ways to actually learn something, whether it's a hard skill for a career or a soft skill like public speaking. Honestly, one reason I do these videos is that it helps me with my own speech. I don't have a script. I just have points, I read them, and I start talking. There are plenty of free ways to learn, and there are paid places like Coursera, but realistically, the internet is free. You can search up any topic, and you'll probably learn something. You don't want to keep your mind closed to only what you already know. Hear what other people have to say. Hear what I have to say, but then use your own critical thinking to determine whether what I'm saying is bullshit or real. Another big thing is investing in discipline. If you have things to do, go do them. I talk about it in every video. If you have a task, just go do it. And a huge part of discipline is eating healthy. Your body is quite literally your vehicle. It's what allows you to do every task imaginable. Getting up feeling amazing and go to work, or doing whatever you do. Whatever you feed your body is what's going to come out. Some people make the excuse that eating healthy is too expensive, but I believe it's actually cheaper than eating junk food, whether that's stuff from the store or fast food. Along with eating right, you got to work out. I don't have a gym membership or home equipment, but you have legs. You can go on a walk. And if you can't walk, you have a room where you could do a home workout. You do not need equipment. It would benefit you, sure, but you don't need it. If you stay disciplined, that investment is long-term health and energy. People make excuses in their 20s and 30s about how they feel this way or that way. Do something about it. People blame others or their circumstances. Smart people ask questions and wonder why they're in that position, and then they look for an answer. Please, just be the smart person. Don't blame the world for your problems. It gets you nowhere. But none of this matters if you don't invest in sleep. That sounds pretty free to me. Sleep is where your body and mind repair. You will see zero progress if you don't sleep. Even if you're the busiest person in the world, find the most optimized time for you to get the most out of it. Even if you have to go to bed at 7 p.m. That's the bare bones. But moving on to things money can buy, let's go back to the gym. Depending on where you go, a membership offers so much: tennis, basketball, pools, weightlifting. Think about it. 2 Big Macs at McDonald's is almost $20. The cheapest gym near me is $10. That's 2 months of the gym for the price of 1 meal. If you went consistently for those 2 months and ate clean, that investment would change you way more than 20 minutes spent eating those burgers. Another thing is clothes. I didn't care what I wore until high school, and my confidence was low. Clothes aren't about being materialistic. They're about respecting yourself and boosting your self-perception. When I changed my style, I stopped doing it for others and started feeling great for myself. You can also invest money into courses. I had a year membership for Coursera, not sponsored, and I used it for a hard skill. I didn't care about the certificates. I cared about the knowledge and the interaction. If online isn't your thing, sign up for an in-person workshop. Also, look at where you spend your time. Your room, your kitchen, your workspace. Invest in a clean, good setup. Cleaning is free, but if you see something that improves your space and it's in your budget, go for it. Money is tight for a lot of people, including me, which is why I found free ways to stay fit. I'm running out of time, so let's speedrun the rest. Learning new skills, reading books, watching documentaries, exercising, cooking healthy, getting consistent sleep, practicing mindfulness or journaling, and networking with people in your field. Invest in yourself. It's not supposed to be quick. Your mind and body take time to catch up. I'm just the person talking about it. You're the one doing it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about. Put your input in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.